orúkọ mi ni Abikelu. this is Queenette and I'm here in Olokun Festival. I'm here with a very spectacular person. Your name?
Abikelu.
Wow, great. I can see you have some things all over you. What's this? What this thing? What are these
In
things?
Yoruba, it is Oweyo, but in English, it's Kauri.
Cow is beautiful. And I can see you're dressed in English attire and at the same time you have this talking drum. Is there any message you're trying to pass across?
Yeah, this talking drum signifies our culture.
Okay.
Me looking at me, without me telling you that I play talking drum, you will see it on my, like a trademark for me.
Wow,
Yeah.
great. And what does this Olokun Festival mean to you?
Olokun Festival is like not abandon the goddess of the river.
Wow,
You understand?
great.
It's not all about, okay, some people call it mammon or something. No,
Okay.
they are not. They've been the one we are serving before Christianity, before Islam. So we don't need to abandon them.
Wow.
You understand?
Thank you so much. Last question. Where do you see this festival and tradition going in how many years to come? How many years to come?
Going far with the way we are doing it, with the way the young and the youths are doing it now. It's going far and a better place.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.